Hey everyone, welcome back to Sammy Studio. Today, with Pixelmator Pro, I will show you a very easy way to create a glowing effect. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. Your support means the world to me. Okay, let's stop the yapping. Let's go to the video. In the last video, I showed you how to create a glowing effect for text with a Gaussian Blur effect. And now we will apply that technique to any object. For this example, let's create a glowing effect around her body. I will choose our subject's border using the AI Select Object tool in Edit, Select Subject, or pressing Ctrl S. The AI detection will choose the subject for you. This works great when your subject is easy to separate, but in more complex cases like this one, where the background has similar colors or fine details, the selection won't be perfect and can easily blend into the subject. You could use the Quick Selection tool to manually refine it, but that can get a little bit tedious. Instead, here's one of my favorite methods, especially for single color backgrounds. Go to Edit, select Color Range, and pick the background color. You'll see that it selects everything with that color, but it might also grab parts of your subject. To fix that, lower the range value until the unwanted areas are no longer selected. Then click Apply. Right now we've selected the background, but we actually want the subject. So invert the selection using Command-Shift-I. Next, let's refine the edges a bit more. Go to Select and Mask. You'll notice the edges, especially around the hair, look a little bit harsh. So we increase the softness slightly to blend those edges more naturally. Then click Apply. Now we press Command-J to cut out the subject onto a new layer. Duplicate it one more time, and we will work on the second layer. Rename it as Glowing. Alright, I will turn off the first layer so we can see the glowing layer better. Let's work on this. Go to this icon as the style icon to bring out the style panel. And you tick on the fill bar to bring out the fill tool. Then choose the color that you want to fill. Right now, I want to fill this picture with warm white color because I want to create a bright aura. Press Command-D to deselect. You press F to bring out the Effect panel. Go to the panel, Add Effect, Blur, Gaussian. Now you can see it creates a soft border around the shape. You can actually adjust the distance by dragging this knob over here. Now turn on the first layer again to see the effect. So right now we have a bright yellow aura around her body. But what if I want to change the color of the aura? This is one of the great things about Pixelmator Pro. You can always come back and change the color in the style panel like this. In this fill panel, I will be able to change the color. And I have one more fun tip for you guys. If you don't want the whole thing to be lightened up like this example, you can just draw a shape and place it under the layer of your subject. And then use the Gaussian Blur effect to create a glow anywhere you want, like this. In more complex cases like this one, of course I have to use the Quick Selection tool to cut out her hands and place them above the glowing effect layer. And we're done. If you found this helpful, please support the channel by hit like and subscribe. I post Pixelmator Pro tips every single week. And check out this video right here. You will find it useful. And have a great day, guys.